How much coffee is too much? Whether you're a coffee lover or not, you've probably heard that too much coffee can be bad for you. But what does that mean? How much coffee is too much? In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of coffee intake and discuss how to moderate your coffee consumption if necessary. Coffee is a widely consumed beverage around the world. In fact, coffee is the second most popular drink after water. Caffeine is a stimulant that can have both positive and negative effects on the body. In small doses, caffeine can improve alertness, focus and concentration. However, too much caffeine can lead to adverse effects such as anxiety, restlessness and sleeplessness. Caffeine is also a diuretic, which means it can cause dehydration if you're not careful. So how much coffee is too much? It depends on the person. Some people may be more sensitive to the effects of caffeine than others. The general consensus is that 400 milligrams of caffeine per day is safe for most adults. That's about 4 cups of coffee. However, it's important to note that everyone metabolizes caffeine differently, so you may need less or more than 4 cups per day. If you're drinking more than 400 milligrams of caffeine per day, it's a good idea to moderate your intake. Try cutting back by 1 cup of coffee per day and see how you feel. If you find that you're still experiencing negative side effects, you may want to consider cutting back even further or eliminating coffee from your diet altogether. Bottom line, moderation is key. Enjoy your coffee in moderation and pay attention to how you feel after drinking it. If you notice any negative side effects, cut back on your intake. Thank you for watching. Like the video, comment your thoughts down below and subscribe to the channel for more coffee videos.